one incident came in my life. After that, I started learning English. Once upon a time, I was going to India and I was airport or at the airport, and madam was sitting on the counter. And when I gave luggage, madam told me, "Israel, your luggage will get in Delhi if you do." Thank you so much, madam. I sent you message and you replied me, and we have conversation with me. To thank you so much first of all. Okay,
Yes, because
because
at the 9 a.m.
I have
I'm
watched
not free. I'm
I watched
I'm
your
not free at
video.
9 a.m.
Okay, I can understand. Being a homemaker, I can understand. I know.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay.
So this time I was free, so I have sent you message. If you are free, then you can join this conversation.
Mm. I was waiting for your call, but I saw, you didn't call me. Then I joined another account. When you calling
Hmm.
me, when you called me, then I said to person, okay, I'm calling you, again. I will call you again. Okay,
Hmm.
because
Okay,
I have some.
as we are meeting for the first time, so I would
Mm.
like to know more about yourself. Could you please introduce?
Yeah, definitely. Thank you so much, madam, for giving me this opportunity to introduction. So yeah, my name
Mm-hmm.
is Amri Rahil. I am from Bihar. I have complete class 10. My hobbies are I love to travel. I love to talk to new people. And I have also a YouTube channel where I upload conversation videos. And
Mm-hmm.
nowadays I am in the Kuwait for job purpose. If I talk about my job, so I am pigeon bird trainer. I am trainer of the pigeon. Yeah, that's
You
all
are
about
the
me.
trainer of the pigeon.
Yeah.
Interesting job.
you
Okay. So tell me
know,
something about Kuwait. How is this? Like you are living in Kuwait, and past days you were living in India. So Kuwait life is different from India.
yeah, it is totally different between Kuwait and India because
Mm-hmm.
it is Arab country, it is abroad. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
it's totally
Mm-hmm.
totally different. Like there
Mm-hmm.
are so many facilities in Kuwait. Okay, like there are
Okay.
so many malls, so many employee here, though so many company here. If you want
Mm-hmm.
to find a job, then you can find very easily. You can get job very easily. Okay, so it's
Okay.
totally
Okay.
different. What is it? Arab country. Okay, so Arabic is spoken in Kuwait. Hindi is not
Mm-hmm.
spoken in Kuwait. If you know Arabic, then you can communicate with strange people. But if you don't know Arabic language, then it is very difficult.
Mm.
Understanding is very difficult. When I
Mm.
came here, I also didn't know Arabic language. After that, I
Okay.
used to I used to listen and I used to speak. This way, I have learned Arabic language, and now I am able to speak Arabic language.
Mm.
Okay.
Is Arabic is similar just like Urdu, or it is
Now
different?
it is totally different. It is totally
Okay.
different. It means how
Mm.
are you? I mean to say how are you?
Mm-hmm.
If I want to convert in Arabic, then kefal
Mm.
hal, kefal hal, madam, kefal hal. Okay.
Okay.
It's totally different, isn't it?
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
And
Because sometimes I was thinking like Arabic can be similar just like Urdu.
no, no, it is so different. Okay.
Mm. And like you are doing a job of pigeons. Because
Yeah,
I have
absolutely.
heard first time. So tell me something about your job. What is work?
Yeah,
What is your work?
yeah, definitely. I'm going to tell about my job. So first of all, my owner has some pigeon farm. Okay,
Mm.
I take care pigeon as well as when comes winter season, then I train the pigeon in winter season.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
pigeon are not trained in summer season. And nowadays, you know very well, summer season is
Mm.
going on in Kuwait. Okay,
Mm.
so I don't train the pigeon. When will come into in winter season, after that I will train the pigeon. Okay,
Mm.
first of all, uh, you know I taught them. I taught
Mm.
how to train the pigeon. I taught it's mean, if I say to them, ta ta ta,
Mm.
b, they listen to
Mm.
me and they come to me. Okay,
Okay.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
When I go to the pigeon farm, when I try to, train the pigeon, I have one stick. When I open the door, when I, call them, Tabi. I throw some grain. After that, they listen to me, and they started flapping. Okay, and
Okay. Hmm.
they came to me. Okay,
Hmm.
and when I when I say to him, you go,
Hmm.
they started flying. They started flying on the sky.
Hmm.
When I call them, they just listen to me. They come to me, flapping. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm. So, have you like in India when you were living? I think that time you are not pigeon trainer.
No, I was not
So, where
pigeon
you
trained.
have learned this art? So, where you have learned this art?
Hmm. Yeah, when I came Kuwait, first of all, I used to work in the house. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
And first, when I came to Kuwait, I was taught how to cook food.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Then I started cooking food. That
Okay.
time, my salary was very less. Okay.
Okay.
Then one day, when I finished 1 year, after that, I called my owner. Then I told him, sir, please you should increase my salary. It is not enough for me because I am married and I have kids. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
They totally denied me. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
After that, I said to him, I said to him, please you transfer me. Okay. I will
Mm.
not work here. After that, I was got released. After that, I came this place. So before coming this place, I didn't know how to train the pigeon. So my Kuwaiti taught me and my friend taught me Israel. See, this is pigeon. Okay, you don't go fast. You go slowly, and you try to first of all call tahbi,
Mm.
tahbi, tahbi. After that, they listen to me and they come to you. Okay, you don't
Mm-hmm.
go. Okay, there I
Mm-hmm.
learned. Yes, somehow I learned after that. And nowadays I know very well how to train the pigeon. Okay, and I have
Mm.
one skill. I am trainer of the pigeon. Okay.
Okay. Like in India, sometimes we are keeping cows, dogs, but you are saying that they are keeping pigeons. Is there any specific reason? Like
Yeah,
horse
it is.
are used in horse riding. Horse are used in horse riding. So these pigeons are also using in some kind of activity.
Yeah, definitely. I train the pigeon. So many, London people, American people, comes in order to purchase pigeon. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
my coach sells the pigeon in the big amount.
Hmm.
I think
Hmm.
what me, my Kuwaiti next years,
Mm-hmm.
previous years, my Kuwaiti self one pigeon sold 1 lakh rupees.
1 lakh rupees.
Lakh
Okay.
one.
Okay. So that is the reason you are
Yeah,
trained
it
these
is.
pigeons, and after that you are selling, like your master is selling these pigeons in a high rate.
Yeah, definitely.
It's a good job.
Yeah, definitely. I am enjoying my job. Definitely.
Hmm. Yes.
I
And
mean,
what
I
is the
don't have
currency
lots of
called?
work.
Hmm.
I don't have lots of work. 3 hours, 4 hours, 10 hours.
Hmm.
When I get up in the morning time and I work only 2 hours, 1 hour. After that, I finished work.
Okay. They are giving like accommodation type facility also.
Yeah, definitely. He providing me all things
Mm-hmm.
as well as he gives me internet card. All things.
Mm-hmm.
I don't
Okay.
spend a single rupee in my
Mm-hmm.
pocket.
Okay. In this duration, have you visited India? How many
Yeah,
times?
I have been in the Kuwait for 10 years.
Mm-hmm.
But I went to the India. I went to the India. I think 6 times.
6 times.
When I
Okay.
finished, yeah, when I finished 2 years, okay, then I can go to the India. It
Mm-hmm.
is a rule here. When
Mm-hmm.
if you come here, so you have to live here 2 years. After that, you can go. Otherwise, not.
Okay. Like your family is settled in Bihar. But in some
Hmm.
cases, like they are also living with their husband, their father. So the cost of the living in Kuwait is high compared than India.
Yeah, cost. I think it is a not cost lots of. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
it is totally different. It is sometimes different. Because you see it is water bottle. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and I have purchased. My Kuwaiti brought me, and he paid only 20 rupees in the Indian.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so how much money pay after that you will get this bottle? I think 25.
Yes,
Okay, so it is same cost.
same cost.
Sometimes, yeah,
Okay.
sometimes the vegetable. If I talk about vegetables and non-veg, so sometimes they expensive. I think.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay.
Like that people of Kuwait, they are speaking Arabic. So why you are feeling that you should learn English when you are, know like this language, Arabic language? There is a specific need for learning this language.
Yeah, actually, it is very good question. Uh, First of all, I would say, uh,
Mm-hmm.
one incident came in my life. After that, I started learning English. Once
Mm-hmm.
upon a time, I was going to India and I was airport or at the airport, and madam was sitting on the counter. And when I gave luggage, madam told me, Israel, your luggage will get in Delhi. If you do luggage in Delhi, then your luggage will get in Patna. I didn't know English language that time. I felt
Okay.
very bad. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
because I didn't know. One person was standing beside me, and he was also Indian. Then he told me Hindi language. After that, I understood. That time I thought, okay, if I get chance, definitely I will learn this language. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so when I came back to Kuwait, so I started getting time. That time I thought, okay, this time is I think I should utilize my time. So after
Mm-hmm.
that, I started learning English. So before I started
Okay.
learning English, I didn't know grammar. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
because my
Mm-hmm.
education background is not good. English did not used to teach in my school. I didn't know any grammar, any rule. What is the different, present, past, future? I didn't know anything. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
then I purchased one grammar book, Oxford grammar book. And after that, I read that book 2 3 months. When I come to know this is present tense, present continuous tense, do, does, is, am,
Mm-hmm.
are, have. Okay, b3 has been, have been. After that, I uploaded hi bro. Then I
Mm-hmm.
whatever I knew that time, I tried to speak. I remember still when I called first time hi bro, I was unable to speak.
Okay. Then how you improve?
But yeah, gradually I didn't give up. And whatever I knew, I tried to speak every day. I tried to speak. Someone asked me, used to ask me, Israel, what are you doing? Then I used to say, I am trainer of the pigeon. I am trainer of the pigeon. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And
Mm-hmm.
I've been in Kuwait for 10 years. I'm alone here. So I used to talk like this. Okay.
Mm.
Gradually, I started speaking, and I started taking video call. Then
Mm-hmm.
someone me. You have to learn more grammar. You have to learn more grammar. You have to speak. You should speak more and more. More you speak, more you better. When your tongue will be twist after that, you are able to speak. So I did,
Mm-hmm.
same thing. Okay. Then
Mm-hmm.
I was able to speak. Yeah.
Mm. But in my opinion, first you should try to speak, and along with this, you should do some grammar work.
Yeah. Speaking is important, and grammar is important. Without grammar,
Mm.
I can't make any kind of sentence. Hmm?
Yes.
You know, Suppose I am talking
Mm-hmm.
to you. How can I make sentence if I don't know grammar? Okay.
Basic rules are compulsory in the beginning.
Hmm.
Okay. But if you want to crack some reputed exams and if you want to become a tutor, that
Mm,
time, yes, grammar is really needed. But in
mm,
the beginning, you should try to speak
yeah.
because grammar is vast.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. When I first time went to the grammar, then I saw, oh my God, there are lots of rule regulation in grammar. Then I
Hmm.
thought, how should I learn and how should I remember? Then I left our
Yes,
grammar.
yes.
Then I learned only
Sometimes it
praxis.
looks boring. Sometimes it looks boring also.
Yeah, I don't know, because there are lots of grammar rule,
Hmm.
modal, conditional, active, passive, infinitive.
Hmm. That's why I'm saying in the beginning, always you should, read some tense, like present tense, past tense, future tense, some
Mm,
models also. It is useful. So
mm,
first you should try to speak, and along with this, you should try to, solve some grammar quiz. It will be
Yeah.
useful.
Yeah, if
Yes,
you are basic
yes,
complete, after that, definitely you can speak only advanced English. You can speak advanced
yes,
English, right?
yes. But if in the beginning you are thinking, okay, first I will read grammar and after 2 months I will speak, it will not work.
Yeah. When I started learning English, when I was getting bored, I left, two times. Then
Mm-hmm.
I said myself, Vishal, you should leave, and it is, second language. Okay,
Hmm.
it is not cup of your tea. You should leave. Then I left two times. Okay,
Okay.
again got up. Again I started. Again I started
Hmm.
because
Yes. And
one.
by this
Hmm,
language, you can connect every learner, whether they are
hmm,
living in India, out of India. You can connect those learners because this is a bridge language.
yeah.
It is just
I am
like a bridge.
and I am so happy because when I came in this platform, I have to I talk in new people because of
Yes,
English. I am talking to you. Okay,
yes.
right? I wouldn't be learning English, then I wouldn't be talking to you.
Yes, and
I am
every
a
learner will share their experience. Like you have shared, you are a pigeon trainer.
yeah.
So we can learn from these conversations.
Yeah, definitely. I have learned so many things,
Hmm. Hmm.
from
So
the
how
from
many
the
sessions
people.
do you take in a one day? How many conversations?
Sometimes, two session, three session, and I try to talk. I try to talk only, audio call.
Mm-hmm.
There are lots of people here. When I give message, sometimes, I don't get reply. Then I go to the,
Mm-hmm.
Expluency app, Hybro app, and I have two, three
Mm-hmm.
parts. They are also learning English. So sometimes,
Mm-hmm.
uh, I practice with them grammar. Sometimes I practice, role play. Sometimes I practice how to make, a story, you know. So
Yes.
I do exercise everything because I want to improve my eye contact. I want to improve my body language as well as I want
Mm.
to improve my communication skill. Okay.
Yes.
Suppose
Yes.
someone come here and someone say to me, Israel, do you have any question? Do you have any topic? Will you discuss any topic? That time you definitely I want to take two topic, three topic. I can discuss. So first of all, I should
Mm.
have knowledge how to speak on a topic, isn't it?
Mm. Yes. Today I have also topic, but it is our first meeting. So I
Hmm.
think okay, today we will do general conversation. In the second meeting, definitely we will discuss some topics.
Yeah, no problem.
Mhm.
I,
So it was a lovely conversation with you. I hope you also enjoyed. We will meet in other session with other topic. Okay? Till then, bye bye.
okay, no problem.
Bye
Okay,
bye.
bye
Have a
bye.
nice day. Bye bye.